Hey, this is Moshbari. Welcome to this video. And I have just recorded and uploaded a video with the keyword get paid to write reviews. Why did I shoot this video? Because it has a good number of searches per month on YouTube and search volume is also fair and competition is fair. The overall it's fair. So I thought, let's go for it. If I want to check more details, I just click here for weighted data and I see more details. Cool. The software is keyword. The software is YouTube Buddy. You can get it from the link in the description. You'll get better benefit and free trial if you use my link in the description. Okay, let's move on. Now I need a thumbnail. So for that, first of all, I want to check which video got the most views in least amount of time. After checking all these videos, I think this is the one that got the maximum views so far. 2 years, 107,000 views. So approximately 4,000 views or 4,400 views per month. So I'm going to follow this and make a thumbnail. So for that, I'll go to my favorite Thumbnail Blaster. This is Thumbnail Blaster and you can find the link to Thumbnail Blaster in the description. So I will just start with no video and I will try to find a template that looks something like this. So for that, I will go down, hundreds of awesome, high converting, high click thumbnail. Probably this is very close to what I'm looking for, but maybe I can choose something else as well. This one is also similar, but let me go a little down and see. I think this would be the best one because it's already black. It's an image. Use template. Template is loaded. So I'm going to add $100 per day. So I will take this out quickly. $100. This will be per day. Just make it bigger. $100 per day. I will do Amazon and ClickBank. Amazon, ClickBank. So for that, I will add their logos. How will I find logos? For this kind of thumbnail, I can go to Amazon logo. And I found this, probably I can use this one. Have to download it, save image as. Okay, Amazon logo is already saved, I guess. Okay, anyways. And I will take ClickBank logo. This would be the ClickBank logo. This one will work. This one will work. ClickBank logo, save. Then I'll go to the image section, upload image, Amazon logo. It's here. Just going to make it small. And then I will add more image of ClickBank. It's here, although it's not transparent. I was expecting transparent. Why not I get a transparent one? And probably this one is the transparent one. So save image as logo 2 and get that one. Okay, something is wrong somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I will just keep as is and I will not use this one. I will better use some better. Save image as. This will be number 3. Oh, it's not allowed. Let's try again. The image was not saved properly. Okay, it didn't work. So I'm going to look for another ClickBank logo. So it's gonna be ClickBank logo 4. Hope it will work. It did. I'm gonna just put it here. Maybe put it here. That's right. That is good. And I don't want Bitcoin here. I don't want this lady here. So I'm gonna add another image of mine, or so for a few image, so for a free image, I came to pexels.com and I think this image will do well. It's free download. Let's keep it this size and free download. Downloading, super awesome. Now I'm going to upload this image. It's uploaded and I just have to make it bigger. Great. And then push it back more. Done. I think I have nothing else to do. My thumbnail is ready. So I'm gonna download this. I'm gonna first save and continue, or just save as JPEG. It's downloaded, and then I will save and continue for future use. So the thumbnail is created and I'm going to upload this thumbnail in my video. That's my video here. That's my thumbnail here. Save and job done.